those bands right in the middle. Pull up on your thighs, heels slightly turned out. Right and left. Push. Working the outer thighs, everybody. Squeeze those legs out and in. Give me 8 more. Come on. Here they. 7. I can't hear you. 6. 5. 4. 3. Yes, Donna. Here's 2. Now give me 4 counts on the right. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and switch. And release. Woo! Uncross. Elbows in. Chest is lifted high. Tummy tight. Ready? Pull it up. Reach. Reach. Now I got a very loose grip on the weights, but my wrists are straight and tight. 4 more. Woo! 3, 2. Now give me little pulses right here. Push, 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 push. Triple time, here we go. And push, push, push. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Last 4, 3, 2, and release. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Cross it over. Pull it up. All right, your heels are slightly turned out, everybody. Ready? Right and left. Let's go. Push, push, push. Now you're just sliding your feet right across the floor. Push up. Here's 2. 4 on the right. Squeeze it out there. And switch. And switch. Oh, feeling it. And switch. Now release it. Woo! Oh my goodness. Agnes, did you feel that?
Yes, honey.
All right. Push those heels out, chest up, tummy tight, elbows tucked in. Ready? Let's lift. Give me 4 more. Nice and slow. Yes. 3 more. Now bring them up a little bit faster. Pull, 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 pull. Triple time. Let's go. Push, push, push. Last 4, 3, 2, and release. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, this is our last set, ladies. Cross right, those bands right in the middle. Pull up on your thighs, let them rest. Chest high, tummy tight. Right and left. Push, push, push.